How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my homie Casas. To Casas, today we have a Dollar Tree haul. I know we all love what we can do with Dollar Tree items, right? We can do a bunch of stuff with them. They're inexpensive, and some of them are good quality. Some of them suck, and it's not worth the dollar. But the ones that you can't spend a dollar with, you'd be amazed with the things, right, that we can do with it. First, before I jump into what I got, I want to show you this 4 nail polish that I picked up. And I took them out the packaging because it's easy to show you in the screen how they really look like. And this is from the brand Nail Colors. And the first one that I picked up was Big 961, and it looks like this. Guys, so, yep. The second one is called, and it says, the packaging says Nail Colors, but actually the brand is saying full colors. So this one's called Slate, and it's like a gray. And then this one is from the brand Neon brand, and this one is called Neon Tonight in 2037. That's that. And this one is from the Lost Fragments, and I can't even see the name. It's too small for me. I don't have my glasses, but this is how it looks. Oh my god. Anyway, I picked up 4 vases, clear vases, and I picked up 4 of these, and I picked up one this size, one this size, which is a little smaller, and then the medium size. Well, one of the medium, one of the large, 2 of the large. Oh my god, I'm so confused right now. 2 of the large, 1 of the medium, 1 of the small. So what I'm planning to do is put it like this, guys, and create a candle holder, spray paint it with some Rust-Oleum silver mirror spray effect, and then some water and vinegar, and create that mercury effect. Let me just tell you, this is from the Luminescence brand, which is the same one as our warmer, and it's a candle snuffer. They had it on silver, gold and bronze color, copper color, if I'm not mistaken, but I picked up the silver. I picked up from the home collection the pot holders, 2 pieces that says live every moment, laugh every day, love with all your heart. So I got the pot holders. I have one of the tower, and I picked up one of the oven mitts. Then I picked up the one with the rooster that says Friend Fresh. Again, the towel, the oven mitt, and the pot holders. It was cute. But then I picked up, my daughter wants to do her room in copper, so I picked up the only one was there, copper frame for her, so she could put a picture of her friends. So then I was so excited to get these guys because, you know, we all saw them last year, and they had them in silver and gold, but they had the white ones, you know, the plate chargers. They had the white ones, and I got 4 of those. But not least, I got 6 more items, but I'm gonna show you this set. Guys, check this out. This is nice, very pretty, good quality. This one says live in full bloom, and it looks like this, guys. And the other one, I picked up 2 of those, and this one said follow your dreams. And what I'm gonna do with them is I'm gonna take this in the back out and use them as coasters because I think they are so cute, and they are good quality. So they are acrylic in the top, so I know if I put a cup you know, on top of it, it's not gonna damage it. So this, again, dollar, good quality. I picked up, they have these beautiful cups, and this one says I meow you, and this one says I love cats, and they look like this, and they cute and gorgeous. So I got me 2 of those. Yeah, being that said, this is my hope for you guys. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can get notified every time I load a video. And like always, guys, thank you for your love and support. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.